Hi students, good morning. I welcome you all for biology video class. In previous classes, we have seen about alimentary canal. In alimentary canal, we have started with mouth, ending with anus. Because in the digestive system, that we have two main parts. One is alimentary canal and another one is the digestive glands. Digestive glands, otherwise known as associated glands. So first we have started with what? Alimentary canal. In alimentary canal, the anterior opening is mouth. So in mouth we have seen about tongue, then teeth. The next pharynx. In pharynx, about epiglottis we have seen. Then esophagus, stomach. Stomach consists three parts. One is cardiac, fundus. Then last one is pyloric. Here esophagus opening is regulated by esophageal, gastroesophageal sphincter. The next one, the stomach, which is open into the small intestine. That small intestine, first part is duodenum. So stomach, which is open into the duodenum. Then after that we have jejunum and ileum. Okay, here the stomach, which is open into the small intestine, that part regulated by pyloric sphincter. Already I told you, right? Then we have what? Jejunum and ileum. Ileum open into the large intestine. Large intestine, first part is cecum, second part is colon, third part is rectum. Okay, in first part cecum, that we have some big bacteria. The bacteria which synthesize vitamin B12. In that, in cecum part, that we have a small finger-like projection, that is called it as vermiform appendix. It is vestigial organ, that we have some useful bacteria that is used in digestion. Okay. The next one, colon, that we have ascending colon, then transverse colon, descending colon, then rectum. Rectum open into the anus. Through that, human beings are released what? Which is they are eliminating feces. Okay, right. The next one, histology of gut. We have seen. I did not say what is histology. Histology is the study, is one of the study. It is dealing with the microscopic structure of tissues. Okay, so histology, that means the study of microscopic structure of tissues. Okay, so histology of gut, that means in gut, what are the tissues are present, how many layers are present, that like we are going to study. So that is histology. So in previous video we have explained that histology of gut. But one thing, that we have 4 layers, we told. First layer is what? First layer is serosa. First layer is serosa. The second layer is muscularis. Muscularis. Second layer is muscularis. In muscularis, we have 2 layers. Inner layer, outer layer. Inner layer, outer layer. In the muscularis, there we have 2 layers. Inner layer and outer layer. Inner layer it is circular layer. Circular type of cells are present. Here, outer layer is longitudinal. Longitudinal layer. So, outer layer is longitudinal layer. The inner layer is circular layer in the muscularis. Okay, I did not say in the previous video. So now I can explain. Right. So today we are going to start with new topic, that is digestive glands, because it is the part of what? Digestive system. Right. digestive glands. So digestive glands, which is associated with the alimentary canal. What are the digestive glands we have? Tell me. Salivary glands. Salivary glands. Next one, liver. Liver is the largest gland in our body. The next one, pancreas. Then gastric glands. Gastric glands. Then intestinal glands. Okay, so actually the human physiology, which is come for 12th standard also. Okay, then in need it is very important. Already I said how many marks come from digestive system, how many marks come from respiration, how many marks which is comes from excretory system, that is explained later. Okay, right. First one, salivary glands. Second one, liver. Then pancreas, gastric glands. Then intestinal glands. Salivary glands, where it is present? That means it is in the mouth. It is in the mouth. The mouth, in oral cavity, is present. Actually, three glands are there. One is parotid. One is what? Parotid. And another one is sublingual. Sublingual. Then second one, submandibular. Submandibular. So parotid, sublingual, submandibular, submandibular or submaxillary. Submaxillary, right? Here the parotid, which is present in the part of cheek, the cheek area which is present here. Okay. Then next one, sublingual. The sublingual, it is below the tongue. Below the tongue. Then submandibular or submaxillary, which is present in the lower jaw. So, how many glands are there? 3 glands are there: parotid, sublingual, submandibular. Parotid gland, which is present in the cheek area, that means it is near to the ears. The next, sublingual, it is below the tongue. Then submandibular, which is situated in lower jaw. What it is secrete? The salivary glands, that means saliva. It secrete what? Saliva. Okay. The next one, liver. Next one is what? Liver. In saliva, what it is present, what it is doing, the functions of enzyme, that and all we will see later. Here we can see only where it is present, what are the things present. Okay, in next topic we will see what are the functions of saliva, right? The next one, liver. Where it is situated? It is situated in the abdominal cavity. It is situated in the abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity, just below the diaphragm. It is situated. It is the largest gland in our body. The size is, their weight is what? 1.2 to 1.5 kg. Their size is what? 1.2 to 1.5 kg. Here in the liver we have two lobules. Okay. What? Two lobes are there. So, two lobes. Here one lobe, here one. Two lobes are there. Okay. Then we have hepatic lobules. Hepatic lobules. So, in liver there we have two parts. That is what? Hepatic lobe. In the hepatic lobe we have hepatic lobules. It is the structural functional unit of liver. Structural and functional unit of liver. Which one? Hepatic lobules, which is present in the liver. But there we have two parts, that is two lobes. Okay, right. Hepatic lobules, which consist hepatic cells. Hepatic cells. So, up to that, what we have seen, the liver is largest gland of the human body. Their weight is 1.2 to 1.5 kg. It is present in the abdominal cavity just below of the diaphragm, which consists two lobes. Here hepatic lobules are present, that is structural and functional unit of liver, which is present inside the liver. Then hepatic lobules, which consist what? Hepatic cells. That hepatic cells secrete bile. Secrete what? Bile. That is bile juice. Bile juice. Okay. One diagram I want to draw. It will give good explanation for you. Here pancreas is present. Okay. Next one, this is what? First part of small intestine, that is G-shaped organ. This is what? Duodenum. Then pancreas we have. Here gallbladder. So it is one duct. It is what? Duct. That duct comes from liver duct. Okay, it comes from liver. It is that gut is come from gallbladder. Okay, this is gallbladder duct. This what? Gallbladder duct. So what happened here? The duct come from liver, which carry bile, because liver produce what? Bile. Bile produced by hepatic cells. Already I told that what? Hepatic cells. Hepatic cells produce what? Bile. That bile is carried out by two duct of liver duct. Here some biles, that means bile juice, are stored in the gallbladder. Okay, so from the gallbladder, from the liver, what it is come? Bile is come. Then it is connected with the what? Pancreas duct. It is connected with what? Pancreas duct. Because this area is what? Pancreas. This organ is pancreas. So the liver duct, and the next one, from the gallbladder, what we have? From the gallbladder we have gallbladder duct. So it is open into the common duct, that is common bile duct. Okay, so which duct is come from liver? It is called as liver duct. Which duct is come from gallbladder? It is gallbladder duct. Which the two ducts open into the common bile duct. That common bile duct connected with the pancreas duct. It is pancreas duct. Pancreas duct. Okay. Then next one, the pancreas duct and common bile duct open into the one duct, that is hepatopancreatic duct. Hepatopancreatic duct. Hepatopancreatic duct. That hepatopancreatic duct open into the duodenum. So the bile juice and the pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice secreted by pancreas. Pancreatic juice. So from the liver we have bile juice. We can get bile juice. Then here pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. So the two juice mix together and enter into the duodenum through the hepatopancreatic duct. Okay, did you understand that? So first one, liver which have two lobes. The two lobes which consist what? Hepatic cells. Hepatic lobules are there. That is the unit of liver. Then hepatic cells which is present in the lobules. Okay, that secrete what? Bile juice. So from the liver one duct is coming, that is liver duct. From the gallbladder, what it is coming? Gallbladder duct. So both duct which open into the common bile duct. then which is connected with the pancreatic duct, then pancreatic duct and common bile duct which is open into the hepatopancreatic duct that is connected to the duodenum. Okay, right. Hepato, that means it is denote the kidney. Liver. Okay, it is denote what? Liver. So from the liver it is coming, so it is hepato. From the pancreas it is coming, so it is pancreatic. So both of them common together. So hepatopancreatic duct. Okay, right. So now the juices enter into a duodenum. It is the starting part of small intestine. So about liver I told, then pancreas. Here what? Salivary gland, saliva. Here bile, which is secrete what? Bile. The pancreas, which act as two glands. One is exocrine and another one is the endocrine gland. Exocrine gland and endocrine glands, both we have in the pancreas. Exocrine is secrete enzymes. Endocrine is secrete the hormones. What are the hormones which will be secreted? That means insulin and glucagon. Insulin and what? Glucagon. So insulin and glucagon. So we have two parts in pancreas. One part which is act as exocrine and another part act as endocrine. Endocrine is secrete what? Hormones. Hormones name is insulin, glucagon. Insulin which control the sugar level, which is helps in control the sugar level. It is glucagon which is increase the sugar level. If our body don't have sugar level, particular sugar level, that means glucagon which increase what? Glucose level. So which is increase glucose level. Which increase the glucose level in the blood. Insulin which control the sugar level in the blood. Exocrine enzymes which is used for digestion. So that saliva functions, then bile functions and pancreas enzymes functions we will see later. Okay. The next one, gastric glands. Gastric glands which secrete gastric juice. Which secrete what? Gastric juice. Gastric juice. That gastric juice also involved in the digestion. Okay. The next one, intestinal gland which secrete intestinal juice. Intestinal juice. So now we have completed digestive glands. Okay, in the digestive glands, what are the glands are present? Okay, the next one, what it is secrete. So far we have completed salivary glands, which have three type of glands. One is parotid, sublingual, submandibular or submaxillary. The next, which is secrete saliva, which is used in the digestion. Next one, liver will secrete the bile, which consists of two lobes. The two lobes consist hepatic lobules. That is the structural functional unit of liver. Right. Then pancreas. Pancreas, it is act as a exocrine and endocrine gland. Endocrine will secrete hormone. Exocrine will secrete what? Enzymes. That enzymes used in the digestion. Hormones, what are the hormones? That means insulin, glucagon. Insulin function is control the sugar level. Glucagon function is increase the glucose level in the blood. Okay, then gastric glands which is present in the stomach. So don't forget it. Which is present in the stomach. So gastric gland which is present in the stomach which secrete the gastric juice. You know what I mean? The next one, intestinal glands. Intestinal glands will secrete the intestinal juice. Okay. The next topic we are going to see about digestion of food. How our food will be digested in our body. Okay. Because we don't know how the food is digested in our body. Because so many enzymes involved in that. That is we will see after that. Our next topic is digestion of food. Digestion of food. Here before we have completed digestive glands. In digestive glands, what are the glands are present, where it is situated, what it is secreted. Okay, that is we have seen so far. But hereafter we are going to see digestion of food. We know daily we are taking food, but we don't know how it is digested in our body. But in 10th standard we have studied that. Okay. So just you recall that. I will explain, but just you can recall. Right. Digestion of food. Actually, why the digestion want to be happen? That means digestion is very important because our body cannot utilize complex food particles. Okay, our body can utilize only simple form of food. So the digestion is the conversion of complex food into simple food. That means complex form into simple form. That is done by digestion. It is the process. It is done by alimentary canal and associated glands. That means digestive glands. Now in this topic we are going to see what are the enzymes involved in the digestion. We are going to see. Right. First one, digestion process completed by two things. One is mechanical process. And another one, chemical process. So digestion process is completed by mechanical process and chemical process. Mechanical process, you know, I think it is grinding, okay, by our teeth. Chemical process, the enzymes involved in the digestion. So that is the chemical process. Okay, right. So first we will start with the mouth. In the mouth we have buccal cavity. Buccal cavity, otherwise known as oral cavity. In the buccal cavity or oral cavity. In the buccal cavity, there we have teeth and tongue. And next one, salivary glands are present. Salivary glands are present. salivary glands which is secrete what? Saliva. Saliva is present. In saliva, what it is present? It means mucus. The next one, salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. Then lysozyme. Lysozyme. So mucus, salivary amylase, lysozyme, which is present in saliva. Saliva which is secreted by salivary glands. In buccal cavity, what it is present? Teeth and tongue. Okay. Buccal cavity which is doing two functions. That is, one is mastication of food. Mastication of food. Second one is facilitation of swallowing. Two functions are there: mastication of food and facilitation of swallowing. So mastication food is done by teeth and tongue. Mastication, that means grinding or chewing, right? So mastication done by teeth and tongue. So teeth and tongue which masticate the food, okay, then that masticate food particles combined with saliva. It is combined with what? Saliva. So saliva and food which is mixed together by the teeth and tongue. Okay. The next one, the oral cavity facilitates to the swallowing. Swallowing, which is the food is again entered into the pharynx. So that process is what? Swallowing. Right? It is done by tongue. So masticate food and the saliva, it is mixed together. It is called as bolus. It is called as bolus. Okay, bolus. So masticate food plus saliva, because saliva, in saliva we have mucus. In saliva what we have? Mucus. Mucus already here I have written. In saliva what we have? Mucus. Mucus which is helps for lubricate and adhering. Adhering, that means which is paste. It is act as a paste. That means gum, right? So bolus, when we mix the food with the saliva, okay, that is converting to bolus. The masticate particles with the saliva is what? Bolus. Now I think you have understood that we have teeth and tongue, that is used to mix the food and saliva. Eat the food mixed with saliva, that means it is called as bolus. It is what? It is a masticate food that enter into the pharynx. That enter into the pharynx. So mixing is happening in the buccal cavity, then it is converted as a bolus, then enter into the pharynx. It is done by tongue, because swallowing is done by what? Tongue. The next one, saliva, which consists of what? Mucus. Then salivary amylase. Salivary amylase, it is convert the starch. Convert the starch into maltose. It is convert into what? Maltose. It is convert into maltose. Salivary amylase which act on the starch, that starch convert into maltose. Maltose is disaccharide. Maltose is disaccharide. Maltose is a disaccharide. Because our food I think which consists complex form. So 30% of starch, 30% of starch, which is converted as a maltose by the action of what? Amylase. So amylase act on the starch, then it is converted as a maltose. Then next one, some electrolytes also present, that is also involved in the digestion, because in our mouth digestion process initiated. That initiation given by the amylase. Okay, that is enzyme, that is one of the chemical. The chemical act on the starch. So 30% of starch converted as a maltose in the buccal cavity. Okay. The next one, lysozyme. Lysozyme function is what? Which is act as a antibacterial agent. Antibacterial agent. Okay, which will kill the bacteria. Which one? Lysozyme. So in buccal cavity there we have teeth and tongue. Then there we have two functions. One is mastication and facilitation of swallowing. Teeth, which is teeth and tongue grind the what? Food. Then the food mixed with the mucus, that it is called as bolus. Then bolus enter into the pharynx with the help of tongue. Okay. In saliva, what it is present? That means mucus. That mucus used for lubricating and uttering. Uttering, that means it is used as a gum. Right? Then only the food converted to what? Bolus. The next one, salivary amylase, which is present in the saliva because it is secreted by salivary gland. The salivary amylase act on the starch. Then it is converted as a maltose. Okay, 30% of starch which is converted as a maltose. That is disaccharide. The next one, lysozyme also present in the saliva, that is used as an antibacterial agent which will kill the bacteria. Then some electrolytes also present in the saliva. So still now we have completed digestion of food up to buccal cavity. In next class we are going to see in pharynx what it is happened, then esophagus, stomach, step by step we will see how digestion processes happen. Now we have completed what? Digestion of food in the buccal cavity. So now bolus is ready to enter into the esophagus. In next class what it is happening we will see. Thank you. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Just go through the video and you have to listen carefully and go through the NCERT book. Okay. Then next class I will say how many marks which is come from this unit. That means in animal physiology unit how many marks which is coming for NEET. And next one how many chapters which is coming for 12th standard. I will tell you in the unit of animal physiology how many chapters are coming in the 12th standard. There how many marks we have. That is I will explain in the next class. Thank you. Thank you very much.